Namaskar, I am Dr. D.R. Patnaik, working as forecaster in India Meteor Department, and I will be discussing about the weather condition that will prevail during last week, that is from 4th to 10th February, and also what are the expected weather that are going to take place in subsequent 2 weeks. If we see day-to-day wise the weather condition that are prevailing during the last week, the major weather system, if you see, look at this thing, there are western disturbances affecting northern India and northwestern part of India. There are two western disturbances, one during 4th to 5th over that part, and finally it crossed across the Nepal region to the eastern side. And also there are associated induced cyclonic circulation over the Rajasthan and adjoining region, and also there are second WD that is toward the end of the week, that is on 9th February and 10th February, that also moved across eastern side and gave your some snowfall, and also the plain area were also associated with fog condition, and that fog condition also now is continuing over the plain region. And there are also cyclone circulation over Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh region, and the trough in easterly, that is over the Kerala to Karnataka coast, that also gave the major weather condition over here. However, there is another cyclone circulation over our south of Indian region, that is however not very effective for our region. And another cyclone circulation is also prevailing over northeastern region during the week. And when we see all these synoptic conditions in terms of satellite imagery and associated rainfall, just you will see the next slides. If you look at this thing, the last week, how the animation of satellite images, if you see the WD1, WD were passing over that Nepal region after entering over the northwestern part of India, and also another WD was approaching from their side. And this cloudy, associated with the cloudy convection, also you can see here. And some part of that eastern MP region, and there's also some cloudy region is there. And that rainfall, with respect to rainfall, if you look at the rainfall conditions, not much activity toward the major part of the India. However, associated with WD and induced cyclone, you can see some rainfall conditions over northern India. The yellow and the green region is like higher rainfall, and some rainfall over your Chhattisgarh and this plain region. So slight rainfall is also there over this during the past week. And however, this is the total overall. If you see the last week, it was a very less rainfall conditions throughout the country. If you look at this, some pockets of northern India, we have got good rainfall. You can say just only that green and that blue colors, that is normal or excess. Other remaining are yellow and red are deficient rainfall. That means with respect to the last week rainfall, we have not got good rainfall over the India, and that is reflected in the table here during the 4th to 10th February. So all regions of India and also country as a whole, we have got minus 76% less rainfall comparatively is normal. So that means normally also it is very less, and actually also very less. And normally 5.2 mm, actually very less. So that means we have got very less rainfall throughout the country and over different parts of the region. But starting from 1st January, this is the seasonal cumulative rainfall from 1st January to till 10th of February. If you look at this cumulative figure, there is a distinct pattern you will get here, whereas the western part, most of the western part and southern part, you have got good rainfall. This is excess rainfall, blue colors, whereas this yellow is the deficient rainfall. So that means there are some always this type of thing we have got because of the continuous easterly waves propagating from low latitude, and also there are WD over northwest India. So there is some interaction, and that is reflected here. We are getting just a difference between the western side with a relatively better and eastern side with a relatively less rainfall. But cumulative wise, if you look at this, till all the parts of the India is below normal except your South Peninsula. That means South Peninsula, it is 343% above normal till the 12th of February, whereas other regions are the below normal rainfall. Next. And this is the temperature distribution. This is the temperature distribution during the past week. So how, which are the regions from 4th to 10th February, and this is the minimum temperature and that is the maximum temperature. Wherever you can see this green and this region, this is the below normal, mean temperature is less than the normal pattern, and some parts here it is more than normal pattern, the red color. So that is the maximum temperature, and this is the minimum temperature. Minimum temperature also many days here over the eastern part it is less than normal temperature were prevailing over this thing, and some pockets of northwest India was above normal minimum temperature. And cold wave and fog during the week, if you look at this 4th to 10th of February, isolated only cold wave observed over Chhattisgarh and Odisha on 4th February. So that means since temperature also you have seen there is some minimum temperature were below normal over that part. So cold wave only were prevailing on one day over Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Otherwise there are no other part who are having cold wave. But with respect to fog, since there are two western disturbances crossing the Indian region, that's why you can see most of the days the regions over the Uttarakhand, here, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Chandigarh, all these regions were mostly having the fog conditions. However, even sometime Rajasthan on 4th and West Rajasthan on 5th, and also your West Rajasthan on 10th. This also Rajasthan part region also got fog condition during these 3 days. And on 6th February, very dense fog over Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi and West MP, and also East UP. So this part on 6th also some part of that MP region also got fog conditions. Now look at the synoptic conditions as of now, today. That is the 11th of February. If we look at the synoptic conditions, there is a WD over here along 88 degree east. This is at the form of trough, and another debris also approaching here. That also will likely to have some influence over North India, and there is a cyclone circulation, and this type of thing this year here you see a trough in easterly, and another convective belt that you have seen here, they are also associated with a cyclone circulation over this region. Next, and with respect to the warning associated with the present synoptic conditions, these are the warnings, weather warning for next 5 days. If you look at this warning here, that means here mostly if you see here your northwest Rajasthan, that area is likely to have fog on 11th, that is today, and also for next subsequent 2 days also will have similar conditions over and also over UP and Bihar, East UP and Bihar, and then gradually it is decreasing, and over 13th and 13 also there will be some isolated places over here, then East UP and your northwest part of northwest India. However, on 14th and 15th there is no we are not expecting any fog condition over any part of the India on 14th and 15th. This is our model, different type of models we are running, global model and couple model for giving forecast, and this is the just forecast for based on our GFS global model. And you can see here next 7 days how the sea level isobars changing, means from day wise, that is animation plot, and also this is the forecast wind at low level wind, this is the wind and rainfall. If you see the rainfall pattern, some rainfalls are also expected, we are expecting light rainfall over this part, and this band belt here also we are expecting some rainfall over this MP region and adjoining area, and some part of southern peninsula, and also over some extreme northeast India. So these are the very but rainfall condition overall is not showing much intensity. If you look at this thing, it is only confined to yellow color, that is lower scale, or very light green, that is also not very high rainfall we are expecting. Next. And this is another model we are running, that is your couple model, which can give a little longer forecast, that is 2-week forecast. If you see, this is the week 1 forecast from 12 to 18 February, and that is the week 2 forecast rainfall from 19 to 25 February. So that if you see here, the scale is means it is less rainfall, so it is not reflected very high value here. But yeah, the associated with convection, we are expecting some rainfall during past week and some part of North India, and light rainfall will be there. That that is there. But with respect to anomaly, since the rainfall is overall condition will be very less, so this week we are going to have a below normal rainfall over most part of India as a country as a whole. That means that will be below normal, as that is reflected here with the yellow and red color. That is a negative anomaly we call it. That means we are expecting below normal rainfall during first week. And when we come to week 2, that is from 19 February to 25 February, associated with WD, there will be rainfall. So the northern India and eastern India, and also due to the easterly waves here, that means easterly interaction, eastern part and southern peninsula also will get rainfall during week 2. That's why as a result, many parts of the India, particularly our eastern and northern part here, and will have a good rainfall activity, particularly in week 2. And this is the temperature forecast from based on the same model. This is the minimum temperature forecast, and this is the anomaly. So minimum temperature forecast will be major part, it will be 6 to 12 degree around that period. Most of the thing will be during this period, most of northern India during week 1, and slight, if you see there, slight rise over the southern peninsula or adjoining region during week 2. With an anomaly, yes, we are getting some higher positive anomaly, means higher temperature over northwest India and western part, and also northeast India in week 1, and this is also week 2. That means, but eastern India and other southern peninsula still we are expecting it will be slightly below normal minimum temperature. With respect to maximum temperature, this is the maximum temperature. Maximum temperature will be within the range, but gradually as the season we will enter toward the pre-monsoon February and March, then our maximum temperature also will go in increasing. But right now the ranges is only above this here, you can see here. But anomaly, that means with respect to normal, here we have most part of northwest India, northern India, and also eastern India. So here it is showing high maximum temperature. The temperature will be slightly higher than normal over this part during the first week, and but central part and some part of South Peninsula it will be below normal. But week 2 also, due to WD will be there, rainfall also will be there. So here anomaly will be more less area it is showing positive anomalies, as you can see here. But still there will be some negative anomaly over eastern and central and adjoining South Peninsula. So in summary, if you see, look at the summary, forecast summary, that is week 1 overall condition, this week 1 will be below normal. Week 1 will be below normal. With country as a whole, we are expecting very less rainfall, that means compared to normal. However, different parts will get some isolated rainfall like this. For example, due to the WD, your western Himalaya during 13 to 50 we are expecting rainfall and also some snowfall over that region. Similarly, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh also during the week will get some rainfall associated with that movement of WD and Sisal. Then also under the influence of a trough in the lower level easterly, that also we have seen light to moderate isolated scattered rain and isolated thunderstorm and lightning is also very likely over Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha, Jharkhand and Odisha during second half of the week. That means, so that belt, whatever here, we are also expecting thunderstorm and lightning. So that we have to be very careful. So sometime we get February, in the month of February also we get this lightning and thunderstorm. So that is also we are expecting here, and to get some thunderstorm and lightning. And also some of the thing hailstorm. Some part we also may get Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha region during 15 to 17 February. That period also we are expecting that there can be some hailstorm. So we have to be careful. The farmers also they need to be careful. And then from the low latitude side, there will be lower level easterly isolated rain thundershower also over South Peninsula, because the easterly is there. So that also will give some rainfall over the South Peninsula region. But overall, as I said, this week 1 will be cumulative wise, it will be below normal with respect to the normal of the week. And this is the week 2. Week 2, as we have seen in the previous chart, that means there is a WD, influence of WD there, and association with the WD, and also at lower level easterly from the lower latitude, so that interaction will be there. So we are going to get rainfall over likely over South and Central India throughout the week. So that is the second week, that is the major development here under this influence of WD and dry northwesterly wind from the PD upper troposphere level and also association with your easterly wind at lower level. So that will give good rainfall over central and India throughout the week. And also the western disturbance, due to the western disturbance, abnormal rainfall activity also likely over North India during second half of the week. So that means second half of the week, Northern India and also the central India, that also we are expecting to get good rainfall. Next. And temperature wise, as you have already seen the minimum temperature chart, yeah, minimum temperature will be mostly during 6 to 12 degrees centigrade, between that 6 to 12 degrees centigrade over parts of northwest, central and eastern India. And these are near normal or slightly below normal over these region. Okay, but if you see the time, first half and second half, it will be, the temperature will be, the minimum rise in minimum temperature by 3 to 5 degree over most part of central India during first half, and whereas 2 to 4 degree over most part of eastern India during first half. And there will be no change in the second half. That means first half only there is expected to rise, and whereas second half it is not expected to rise. However, there will be no cold wave or cold conditions will be there over northern India during the week. And during week 2, that second week, the minimum temperature likely to be normal to abnormal over northwest and adjoining central India. So that means that will be normal to slightly above normal. These are likely to be below normal over by 2 to 4 degree over remaining parts of the country. So that means we are expecting that north and northern India will be above normal and remaining part of the. So this is the, yes, all these bulletins are our warning, are you can get it from our website, Facebook, the social network, all these things are available. In addition, you have the mobile app also, Damini app, Lightning, Meghdoot app, Agro Advisory, and your Mosam app for your location specific weather warning. So all these apps are available and you can download and you can get the weather conditions over different parts of India. And in addition, already we have launched this one. We have discussing, because there are many regions where we are getting weather, but we are not able to collect the data because of we are not having any observatory. So that is this is a platform to get feedback from general public. This is a crowdsourcing. So wherever there is some weather occurring over your place or your village, you can go to this site and you select the event and what type of weather you expect and when time it was there, so that if you submit it, we will get it, and that will help us to understand the weather and also in our forecasting process. Thank you. Namaskar.